Infobliss.in.
Information required for common man.
In this video we see how to get rid of some unnecessary notifications which asks us to install some anonymous Android apps which we are not interested. See, here have lot of notification regarding these kind of notifications which usually pops up in my notification bar at a random period of times. So first of all, I decided to figure it out which app sending these notifications. So if I disable the permissions for that app, as I won't get such kind of unnecessary suggesting apps. So how we can find out which app is sending this kind of notifications, because in my mobile there is more than 140 applications are installed. So for this, just open your notification bar and long press on the app which you have received as notification. That is, here you see hit and miss. So I am just long pressing here, you see. So the uLauncher 3D app is sending all these notifications. So just disable it. You won't receive uLauncher notification from uLauncher 3D. So that's it. Now done. See, automatically all notifications have gone. So this is the process of getting rid of all unnecessary notifications which asks you to anonymous apps on your mobile. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye.
Hi friend. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment and share. Thanks for sharing.